As Mother's lead chemist, people ask me all the time, what's the worst thing for your car's finish? The answer usually surprises them. It's everyday driving. Airborne contaminants such as paint overspray, water spots, tree sap, rail dust, bird droppings, and brake dust are constantly attacking your paint's finish. Let's face it, it's a tough world out there. Fortunately, Mother's has been combating these damaging and unsightly contaminants for nearly 20 years. In 1998, we introduced the clay bar to the consumer market. Prior to that, clay bars were a close-kept trade secret of professional detailers and body shops. Today, we introduce the next generation of contaminant removal with our fastest and most durable and versatile paint restoration surface prep tool yet, Mother's Speed Clay 2.0. Whether you're washing, waxing, or just touching up your car, Speed Clay makes the perfect companion. This patented rubber polymer technology quickly shears off and removes both surface and embedded contaminants that will otherwise leave your paint finish dull and vulnerable to further deterioration. Speed Clay 2.0 will stop this damage and restore brilliance to your car's paint, chrome, glass, and smooth plastics, prolonging the life of your car's finish. Unlike existing clay technologies, Clay 2.0 is extremely durable. It can be used over and over again, and the claying surface is easily washable, allowing for repeated use, even when dropped on the ground. To find out if you need this, let's conduct a little test. Take your hand and run it over the surface of your car's paint. Is it as smooth as glass, or is it a little bit rough to the touch? I'll bet it's rough, just like this one. And this car is brand new. What you're feeling is the damaging grit embedded deep in the finish. It's made up of tiny airborne organic and metal particles which settle on the surface of your car. They come from industry, railroad tracks, even from the semi-metallic brake pads used on most cars. You might also find paint overspray or organic pollutants left by rain and trees. Normal washing, polishing, and buffing will not remove these contaminants. But Mother's Speed Clay 2.0 will.